Hey, how's everyone doing? So a big change is coming to Honda, and it's something I've never heard of a company doing until now, and it could definitely help with their sales because a lot of things have been down for Honda recently, just with the problems, the recalls, the reliability is kind of slipping in the recent years. So this change could make a big difference in their future. So let me go ahead and explain exactly what it is, and I'll see what you guys think about this. So like I said, a lot of bad things have been coming out of Honda recently as far as their problems, the recalls. A lot of people have been having issues with, oil dilution, head gasket problems. That's kind of what we've been hearing recently. So it's no surprise that they're trying to focus on retaining customers and gaining new customers at the same time. But how can you do that if people are thinking their car's just going to have problems anyway? What's the biggest thing that'll keep people from buying a car? I mean, for most people, you think about buying a car, if it's going to have problems, you're like, well, I need to buy extended warranty with it because I don't want to be buying a car and then after the 3-year warranty expires, you have to put a lot of money into it. Well, Honda's going with that same approach. So Honda just announced, now this is only in Europe as of right now, and they, like I said, it just came out a few days ago, so it's something to track if it comes to the United States or not, but this is a big change actually. So they're taking their standard warranty, which in Europe is 3-year, 62,000 mile warranty. Where here in the United States, traditional Honda bumper to bumper is 3-year, 36,000. So real similar. They give you more miles over there. But Honda now just announced that they're going to make that 3-year, 62,000 mile warranty, bump it to 8-year, 100,000 mile warranty. So a huge difference in what they offer. And this comes with every new vehicle. So it's not an extended warranty you have to buy. And it's just like the standard 3-year warranty. So it's a bumper to bumper warranty, but it's for 8 years or 100,000 miles. And that kind of coverage, if you buy it right now, would run you between $3,500 and $4,500. So, you can say easy $4,000 added to the expense of your car if you buy it in the States to get something like that. And this is included in every vehicle. They don't charge any more for it. And the hopes of this is what the article is saying is to gain their customers' confidence that if you have a problem with their car, they're going to stand behind it for 8 years or 100,000 miles. So that's a good warranty. And like I said, that's what turns a lot of people away. If you have a problem with the vehicle after the warranty expires and you didn't take out the extended warranty, you're always wondering, is there going to be an issue that I have to spend thousands? Like we know the head gasket problem could be over $1,000 to fix, and it'd be on your dime to fix it. So that's where this comes into play. So would you buy a vehicle if you know it might have some problems, but you're covered for 8 years, 100,000 mile warranty? I mean, I think that would sway a lot of people because that's always my concern when you buy a car. It's like the longevity of it. You like it, you plan on keeping it, but if you don't take the extended warranty because you don't want to add thousands more to the purchase price, will it stand up? So this at least gives you some of that coverage. And like I said, it's free. The only thing with Honda that makes this work though, is they're saying that the owners must follow Honda's scheduled maintenance plan through dealers for this to be covered. So when you have your oil change done, your fluids change, all that kind of stuff done has to be through authorized Honda dealers. So that is the loophole for them. But I mean, a lot of people nowadays, I believe, do take their cars to the dealer for, basic maintenance, tire rotations, fluid changes, all that kind of stuff. So that would be one of the points that you have to follow that to be covered. If you don't have any record of it getting oil changed, then they could void that. So again, I think it's a big move for Honda. And like I said, time will tell if it comes to the United States, but it's one of the best warranties now offered by any car manufacturer in Europe, the 8-year, 100,000 mile warranty. And the good thing is too, it's transferable. So it stays with the car, not the original owner. So if you sold the car 3 different times, the third owner is going to have the extended warranty is still in effect. So that's a good thing right now. So again, this just started April. So this month, so you'd have to have a car registered from April 26th onward to get the 8-year warranty. So again, I wanted to let you guys know about this. It's something I hope they bring to the United States because with how things are going with Honda and Acura, adding a 8-year warranty on every new vehicle they sell would definitely be a great selling point, especially when you don't have to come up with any more money for their vehicles. So again, I just want to keep you guys informed of the way Honda is pushing things in the future. see what you guys think about it. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. I'll get right back to you. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks again, everybody.